today I want to speak about just briefly the importance of Salah and Jumu'ah. The Salatul Jumu'ah is another point for us to remember the importance of the Jumu'ah. It is the most important day of the week.
Sonali TV UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Sonali TV UK. We welcome all of our viewers from across the globe, from UK and abroad. Welcome back, inshallah, with a few more reminders. Inshallah, today I want to speak about just briefly the importance of Salah and Jumu'ah. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has mentioned that the 5 daily Salah and the one Jumu'ah to another Jumu'ah, one Ramadan to another Ramadan is a kaffara between those periods. So if a person performs the 5 daily Salah, ensures that they perform their Salatul Jumu'ah, and in Ramadan they spend the Ramadan in the way it should be, then inshallah all of our sins are then compensated for, provided we do not do major sin, kabira. If we do not involve ourselves in kabira, inshallah our 5 daily Salah, our Jum'ahs and our Ramadans, inshallah, will wipe out our minor sins that we do without knowing. The Salatul Jumu'ah is another point for us to remember the importance of the Jumu'ah. It is the most important day of the week for Muslims. And it is the day where we should show maximum importance in comparison to the other days. People should know that Muslims deem this day to be very important. Our children should also feel that it is a day better than other days. That's why our children should also be encouraged to take a shower on this day. And also that they wake up in the morning, that they read Suratul Kahf, some verses of Suratul Kahf. And all of the children are capable of reciting something of the Quran. That's why the Prophet ﷺ has given us a concession to recite the first 10 verses and the last 10 verses of Suratul Kahf. We can do this and our children can do this. And inshallah we will get the reward of this day of Salatul Jumu'ah. And of course on this day of Salatul Jumu'ah we should be sending a lot of Salatul Salam, Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is on this day that it is presented to the Prophet alaihi salatu wasallam. That's what makes the day of Jumu'ah so important. And of course we should also make haste to go for Salatul Jumu'ah. Often people go very late for Salatul Jumu'ah. It should be a day where we go nice and early. The maximum reward is to go in the early hour, as the Prophet ﷺ mentions. The person goes in the first hour, in the second hour, in the third hour, fourth hour, and fifth hour. The maximum reward would be is as if someone has given a qurbani of a badana, of a cattle, a big animal, by going there in the first hour of Salatul Jumu'ah. And then as a person goes later, the reward is diminished. So we should make an importance of the Salatul Jumu'ah, because it is a Salah of the Jumu'ah that makes the the day of Jumu'ah more important. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a command of this, that Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu idha nudiya lis-salati min yawmil jumu'ah fas'aw ila dhikrillah. That, O believers, when the call of Salatul Jumu'ah is made, fas'aw ila dhikrillah, hasten to the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, wa dharul bay', and leave your buying and selling, your transactions and anything that you're doing, because Salatul Jumu'ah is better for you. In kuntum ta'lam, if only you knew what Salatul Jumu'ah was about, you would leave everything, even if it meant that you would lose in this dunya. But in the hereafter, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has in store great rewards. So Salatul Jumu'ah it's an important day for us. And we have this day coming every single week. It's not like Ramadan that comes once in a year. This comes once in a week. And so therefore we should be very mindful about Jumu'ah. That it comes to us very often, but we forget how important Salatul Jumu'ah is, or the day of Jumu'ah is, and we forget to think of it as a day of Eid of the week. If we remember this, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us more qadr, more appreciation for the day, and we will gain more blessings from this day. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives me and you all the ability. Inshallah, please spread this message to other people. Subscribe, like, more videos will follow inshallah with your du'as. We hope to benefit the ummah through those basic reminders. Sallallahu sallam ala nabiyina Muhammad wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.
Sonali TV.